Hello there with our new lesson 3.2 about length. The basic SI unit of length is the meter and its symbol used is small m. Large distances such as distances between cities is usually measured by kilometers. Smaller distances, such as the length of a room, we can use meters. Smaller than that, such as the width of a page, we usually use centimeters, and so on. Now, let us learn how can we apply the prefix table to change or convert between these units. Let us go back to that table. Do you remember these prefixes we talked about last lesson? From the base unit here, if you go up, you will find the deca, hecto, kilo, mega, giga. If you go down, you will find the dc, centi, milli, micro, nano. You need to remember these symbols so it would be easy for you to convert between any length unit and another in this system. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, try to remember the order of these prefixes. Let us put them now here in front of you. In the middle, we have the base unit. We are talking in this lesson about length, so our base unit here is the meter. If we go up, we will have first deca, then hecto, kilo, mega, and then comes giga. If we go down, we will find dc, centi, milli, micro, nano. How can we convert between these units? These are prefixes now, but if you add the letter m to the right of each prefix, now you are having a length units. We can read them: gigameter, megameter, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, and then the base unit meter. If you go down, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, nanometer. To change from one to another, try to remember what I'm going to tell you now. Between these two green lines, any step of conversion, you should use the factor 10 to do it. If you are changing from a large unit to a small unit, you always need to multiply. And if you need to change from a small unit to a large unit, you always need to divide. But what is the number or the factor we need to multiply with or to divide with? It depends on number of steps you are changing your position in this table from one unit to the other. To change between any units between these two green lines, every step we will use the number or the factor 10. For example, if you want to change from kilometer to hectometer, you need to multiply by 10. To change from hectometer to decameter, you will multiply by 10. To change from decameter to meter, you need to multiply by 10, and so on. The same if you are changing from small to large. For example, if you want to change from decimeter to meter, you will divide by 10. If you want to change from hectometer to kilometer, you need to divide by 10, and so on. But if you pass this green line, anything higher you need to multiply or divide by 1000. If you want to change from gigameter to megameter, you should multiply by 1000. If you want to change from megameter to kilometer, you should multiply by 1000. If you want to change from megameter to gigameter, you should divide by 1000. The same also for the units micro and nano, which are down the green line. Also you need here to multiply or divide by 1000. If we know this, and it is an important thing to remember it when you want to answer any question given to you for conversion between these units, let us look now for some examples to apply that to. Examples: change 1 meter to millimeters. Looking to the table to the right, meters is here, and we want to go to millimeters. So we are going down because we are changing from large unit to small unit. We should multiply 1 meter by 10, so it is changed to decimeter, and then you will multiply it by 10 again, so it will be changed to centimeters. Then you will multiply it by 10 for the third time, then it will be changed to millimeters. So 1 meter is going to be multiplied by 1000, and your answer must be 1000 millimeters. Example 2: 5 centimeters is equal to how many meters? Looking to the table to the right, to change from centimeter to meter, so we are going up. Because of that, we are going to divide. Going from centimeter to meter, we must pass the decimeters and then go to the meters. So we will divide by 10, divide by 10 2 times. So we are going to divide by 100, and this gives me 500 meters. Example 3: 3 decameters is equal to how many decimeters? Looking at the table, to change from decameter to decimeter, we are going down. So we should use multiplication. We have 2 steps to go from decameter to decimeter. From deca to meter, multiply by 10. From meter to deci, we will multiply by 10 again. So we are multiplying by 100, and our final conversion will be 300 decimeters. I think now that it's clear how to change from a unit to another using this table. So it is so important to remember these letters in this order and to remember the factors you are using to multiply or divide. Let us take more examples. Example 4: 9 kilometers is equal to how many meters? We are going from up to down, from kilometer to meter. So we will multiply. We have from kilometer to hectometer, this is 1 step. From hectometer to decameter, 2nd step. From decameter to meter, 3rd step. So to change this unit from kilometer to meter, we need to multiply by 1000, 3 steps. So it would be 9000 meters. Example 5: 95 hundredth meters is equal to how many micrometers? If we look to the table, to travel from meters to micrometers, we need to jump 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. But one of our steps is under the green line. We need 3 steps up from meter to decimeter, multiply by 10. From decimeter to centimeter, you will multiply by 10. From centimeter to millimeter, you will multiply by 10. These are 1000. And one step down the line, we will use multiplication with 1000. So 1000 times 1000, you will multiply by 1 million. So if you multiply this number by 1 million, your decimal will move 6 digits to the right. So you will have 95 and 4 zeros to the right of it. By this, we come to the end of our lesson. Thank you.